Yeah. What's up, everybody? Hope you guys are all doing well. So, what are we doing today, brother?
Putting light bars on.
We're putting our light bars on our four-wheeler. So we're putting this one on mine. Ethan's putting cubes onto his, and then like next week we're putting winches on them.
We gotta get the mount.
Yeah, we gotta get the mounts for them. So we got the Traveler. He got a 3,000 pound, and I got a 2,000. So yeah, we're about to throw you boys into a time lapse of us putting these on, and catch you guys.
Mainly idiot trying to figure out how to.
When we sort of get them on. See you then.
Ready for this?
Yeah, let's see it, Ethan.
We good?
Oh yeah, it's working. Ethan's got his first one working. Yet I'm still trying to figure out where to mount mine. Let's go. Alright, let's go back to, let's actually go to a time lapse. I messed up the first time. Alright, so the GoPro is about to die. So me and Ethan, we finally got it kind of done. The zip ties are gonna go. But oh my gosh, that thing is bright.
They're both bright.
Yeah, we got them done. We got the switch right here on mine, and then Ethan's, he got his right there. So we're about to go ride, but this is gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're coming out with a banger tomorrow. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. We got some people coming out here to ride, and it's gonna be a good old time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you boys on the next one. Peace.